In the mist-shrouded village of Inkwater Hollow, every child grew up hearing warnings about the witch who lived in the marsh. They said she could turn memories into tangible things, sorrow into smoke, joy into jewels, love into liquid light. But no one dared seek her, for the price of her magic was rumored to be a piece of your soul. Until Eira arrived. Eira was a thief, though not of gold or gems. She stole memories. With her rare gift, a silver locket that could siphon thoughts from the mind, she traded in secrets for wealthy clients. But when her locket was cursed by a vengeful noble, trapping her own memories inside, she had no choice but to seek the witch. The marsh was a labyrinth of black water and twisted cypress trees glowing with bioluminescent moss. Eira's boat drifted until she reached a floating cottage, its walls made of woven reeds and stained glass. Inside, the witch Lyra waited, not a crone, but a woman with hair like ink spilled in water and eyes that flickered like candle flames. "You've come to barter," Lyra said, her voice like wind through parchment. "But what you seek will cost more than you have." Eira lifted her chin. "I have memories. Thousands of them. Take your pick." Lyra laughed, a sound like ice cracking. "I don't want their memories. I want yours." Eira hesitated. Her own memories were a patchwork of half-truths, abandoned as a child, trained by cutthroats, a life of shadows. But with her locket inert, she was already fading, her mind fraying. "Deal." Lyra pressed a hand to Eira's chest. A memory surged forward. Eira at 7, hiding in a marketplace, stealing a loaf of bread, and the baker's daughter, who saw her but smiled and looked away. A memory of kindness Eira had buried. The witch bottled it in a tiny vial. "Your payment." In return, Lyra broke the locket's curse, but not before warning, your stolen memories will return to their owners. And they will come for you. The storm began that night. One by one, Eira's clients awoke with restored memories of her thefts. A warlord whose secret massacre she'd exposed. A merchant prince who'd paid her to erase his lover's betrayal. A revolutionist whose identity she'd sold. All converging on Inkwater Hollow. Desperate, Eira returned to Lyra. "Help me disappear," the witch smirked. "I can hide you in the realm of echoes, a place between memory and reality. But you'll need an anchor to return. Something real." Eira's anchor was Kale, the village's apothecary, the only person who'd shown her kindness. He'd bandaged her wounds, asked no questions. Now, he agreed to tether her soul with a thread of starlight. "Why risk this?" she asked. He tied the thread to his wrist. "Because I've seen your memories too. The ones you didn't steal." In the echo realm, Eira wandered landscapes shaped by collective memory. Cities of glass built from first kisses, oceans of ink from unspoken regrets. But her pursuers followed, their hatred manifesting as shadow beasts. In the final hour, cornered in a forest of frozen tears, Eira faced the warlord, a towering figure armored in vengeance. But instead of fighting, she did the unthinkable, she gave back. Using Lyra's magic, she returned every stolen memory, not just to their owners but to the world. The warlord remembered his daughter's laugh. The merchant prince recalled the lover he'd wronged. The revolutionist reclaimed her purpose. The echo realm shuddered, dissolving into a storm of light. When Eira awoke, she was back in Inkwater Hollow, Kale's starlight thread still binding them. Lyra stood over her, holding the vial of Eira's childhood memory. "You traded a life of taking for one of giving," the witch said. "Rare." She dropped the vial into Eira's hand. "Keep it. Even witches need reminders." Eira stayed in the village, her locket now empty. Kale taught her to mix remedies, their hands brushing over herbs and starlight. The marsh remained, Lyra's cottage a distant glimmer, and the villagers still told tales of the witch, but now, they added a new one. The thief who learned that memories are not meant to be stolen, but shared.